Namaste. My name is Naresh Sharma. I am a student of BBA LLB at School of Law and Legal Affairs at Noida International University. I am very proud to convey my deep admiration for the School of Law and Legal Affairs at Noida International University for their continued passion and commitment during these challenging times, which they have displayed to enact Learn from Home. At each stage of this journey, everyone at School of Law have risen to the challenges we have faced. I've seen a truly collaborative effort to enable students learn from home. They are all going extra mile for making every effort possible to make sure that we take advantage of various learning resources available to us to help enhance the transition to learn from home. They are so outstanding in sharing the state of the art, reading and reference materials with proactive communication. They answer queries as and when raised, conduct regular online assignments and assessments. The best thing the team at the School of Law is doing is inclusivity. That is, they are ensuring that everyone is learning. Even if someone doesn't have an access to internet or laptop, they effectively use text or a medium to call to ensure that they are learning. I never felt that they're not around me. They are always so kind to listen, understand, and provide solutions to all the points and queries raised by me. I feel very proud, privileged, and honored to be a part of the Noida International University. I truly believe that NIU is one of the best universities in the country today. And in the future, in the time to come, we will have a global footprint too. I would like to thank School of Law for being an innovative department in learning. Even during business as usual, they have always made us feel comfortable with their extraordinary listening and understanding ability. The team at School of Law always know what we as students need, and they have always enabled us to be successful. Whatever good if anybody sees in me is all because of their inspirational words of wisdom, which they always share with us from time to time.
Warm regards to each one of you. Myself, Shivani Raj Singh, BLLB, second semester, School of Law and Legal Affairs, Noida International University. Today, I got this opportunity to speak on the aspect of online teaching. Amid the uncertainty and mayhem of the novel coronavirus or COVID-19 widespread, the education system of India has not lost its morale. Fighting the pandemic, they are still making sure that the education of the scholars is not hampered. They are supporting and promoting online education through all means. They are supporting and the institutes also understands that education these days is financially draining and thus do not want the students to suffer the loss. Keeping this in mind, the hard work and dedication of the student and their families, all the institutes are ensuring that the curriculum is run through the online media. This not only shows the devotion of the institute towards the goal of spreading knowledge, but also presents the beautiful message of unity that the whole country is practicing and supporting. The preaching is now getting converted into practicing, and that can be the biggest support and help to the world during such crises. Currently, I could not even imagine education without online teaching. Just think for once if this word called online teaching would not have been coined. What would have happened to our learnings then? That is why I take online teaching as a blessing for students like us in this pandemic. In fact, each and every student is so thankful to online teaching and teachers or institutions for making tremendous effort so that students could not lack in any ways. Now, I would take this opportunity to thank all my concerned teachers who all took so much pain to stand with us in this difficult situation. I'm really thankful to each one of you for always helping us in every situation, and this online teaching is really fruitful as we are getting study material regularly and assignments as well. At the same time, teachers are so interactive and flexible with students so that students can get everything with comfort. I'm extremely satisfied with the efforts of our teachers and will always be thankful to them for standing by us in extreme situation like this. Thank you. And by concluding, I'd only like to say that we can fight together and we could learn together.
Hello everyone. My name is Lauren Morrison, an international student studying at Noida International University, the School of Law and Legal Affairs, BBA LLB 4th year. I sincerely want to appreciate the effort of Noida International University management despite of the ongoing situation of the world of the pandemic COVID-19. NIU have shown a great sign of hope and the value it has for its student. Thank you so much NIU for your support at the very beginning of the scheme implemented by the government. NIU took a prompt action by implementing our classes online. Even now, we're having our exams online. I'm so grateful and proud of being a part of NIU. Thank you so much NIU for your support and guidance. I want to use this medium to thank the department, the faculty and the management of NIU. Thank you once again. And I want to use this opportunity to tell everyone, please don't panic. Stay safe and stay at home. Thank you.
Respected faculty members of the SLLA department, both teaching and non-teaching staff, a pleasant day to you all. I am Mary Jane Monterola, a third year, 6th semester student of Noida International University. As we all are enduring the effect of the lockdown due to pandemic crisis, all universities and schools were shut and opt for online classes. Our department has done a very good job of providing the necessary materials for all the students on a daily basis, keeping in mind that the educational growth of each student will not be delayed as education is a continuous learning process. On a daily basis, all the students are engaged in academic activities and the professors are providing learning materials to supplement our knowledge on this current scenario, which affect everyone. Overall, I commend all the teaching and non-teaching staff of SLLA department for a very job well done. To the rest of the students, let us all make our days productive in these difficult times. Stay safe everyone and thank you.
Good morning. I, Rupam Banerjee, first year student of BBA LLB of Noida International University. Due to this pandemic period arising due to coronavirus, the university has to suspend all our classes. But I'd like to take this opportunity and thank all the teachers for conducting online classes. The teachers are keeping the student motivated as well as keeping the sync with the syllabus. The teachers are providing with online PDFs, PowerPoint presentation to the students. These notes are very helpful for the student to learn the subject critically. In case of any doubt, the students can reach the teacher round the clock through mail, WhatsApp and phone calls. I, on behalf of my department, would like to thank all the teachers, mentors, professors of our university and our department. Thank you.